Alright, so I'm going to share with you how I add test items to Plickers. I'm going to open up a new tab here in Chrome and access Drive. This is where the file is that has the test items already. I was just recently working on it, so I'll go to Recent. And let's see, it's right here, 2.2, Classical Empires. And this is just a multiple choice background quiz. So there's that quiz right there. And I'm just going to go ahead and copy that first part. I'm going to open up a new tab and click my Plickers bookmark. So this is the Plickers website. I'm going to go to Library in the upper left, and I'm going to start adding a question. So I'm going to add this question right here. I'm just going to hit Control V to paste, and I'm going to put all of those other responses in there as well. And if for some reason whatever you're transferring from takes the gives you any trouble, always go right to left. That usually helps with formatting issues, like if you're pasting into Plickers and you're getting the letters coming with you, you want to go right to left. It fixes it almost every time. Actually, it's never not worked for me. So sometimes if you move left to right when you're copying, you'll actually get that letter and formatting with you. Plickers is already set up so that pretty much never happens. But if you are transferring your test item from a Word document to another assessment digital technology platform, then it's just something to keep in mind. So I'm going to choose the correct answer, and the correct answer is D. I'm going to save this. Now I'm going to add it to I'm going to assign it to a couple of classes. Actually, not that one. No, we don't want to. So let's do these AP World History sections. Alright. I'm going to collapse that. And that's done. That's it. You can now send that to the live view, which something else is going to be in there right now because I was doing this. The live view is based on whichever class you have selected on your phone app or your tablet app, and then whichever question you've pushed to the live view through the app. You don't push the stuff to live view on this computer side. But that's it. If I'm going to do it again, I'll do it one more really quickly here. And we'll copy that one. It's easier when you have two windows open and you just go left to right, but for the purpose of making this video I decided to just do it this way. And if you notice, I've made the assessment, and I've also, I'm making practice through with Plickers. This will be part of, we're kind of in the middle of this instruction right now on these particular standards, but the whole time the students can see the standards and how it all correlates. Makes it a lot easier when they go ahead and look it up in the curriculum, whether it's a document I provided them or if it's the actual curriculum, in this case the Advanced Placement World History Curriculum Framework. So, and let me read this one. Han China filled bureaucratic position by using Confucian-based exams. Alright, I'm going to save that. And that's it. After I assign these, we're ready to go. And generally, if the kids do well enough on these, I'll definitely put the scores in the grade book. But if they do well enough as a class, they're as a class they're more than 85%. We'll just go straight to the major summative, which would be a writing exam. And then if they have to reassess, I'll just have them go back and do this again and write it out individually. Maybe the testing format this time wasn't right, and I'll probably give them a printed copy of this exam right here, this quiz right here, and see how they do on that individually during tutorials. before they go ahead and reassess on the major writing. So Plickers is really cool. I think once I get more in this library, and definitely, stronger standards-based assessment items, really not going to need all those minor grades. All those smaller quizzes, we'll just use the smaller quizzes to let us know whether they're really ready to assess, and we'll use them for remediation when they want to reassess, just with a different format, or I'll read from this format and they can tell me the answers. The students are all different. I don't care. They can make me a video of them singing the answers in song lyrics, whatever it takes. So, thanks for listening, and I'll talk to you next time.